Hi, you're still going to have to put up with looking at my straggly fringe because this is being filmed along with 4 or 5 other videos, and I'm hoping that as I wash my hair more and more in the future, the fringe will return to normal. Anyway, empties. 34 products I have to finish for the rest of this year to hit my target. Let's see how I have done in September. The first product, I am very pleased to report that I finished a full foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in the shade NC38. That is the shade that I favor. I have been matched to 37, but I prefer using 38, on the side of caution and all that. So this is the foundation that I've been using for filming. I feel it is kinder to my acne scars, to my pitted acne scars than the others. When I'm going out, I prefer oxygenating foundation. I like, lighter coverage, such as, the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Matte Oil-Free cream. I like the Purito Cica Clearing BB cream. I like the Arborian Super BB cream. So I prefer lighter coverage. I like the YSL New Skin Tint. So I prefer lighter coverage while going out, particularly if I am wearing a mask. But for filming, I like heavier coverage, and this is really, really good. Will I repurchase? Already have. I'll always have one of these in my kitty. I was very late to discovering MAC, but partially because of the sales assistant's behavior in the past. They weren't exactly, welcoming. In fact, they were downright off-putting. And somebody told me, if you have pitted acne scars, MAC is kinder to those. So I tried out the foundation. And when I went back, the essays were actually quite nice a few years later. So this one, I got matched to NC37. They were quite nice. They gave me samples to try out. And then I went back and bought 38. So that is this one. So yeah, that's the first product. The second product is a primer, the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Light. Absolute holy grail. Will always repurchase. Planning on buying 3 during the Black Friday sales for next year. Now we move to skincare. This is the I'm From Rice Toner. There was so much hype over this. There was a lot of hype over this product. That's why I bought it. I liked the I'm From Mugwort Essence very, very much. And I thought, the rice toner would be equally good. No, Mugwort Essence is a lot nicer, preventing acne, people. This one is not as, mind-blowing. I think the SK2 Galactomyces Essence, the Kikumasamune Sake lotion, the Cezanne skin conditioner, those are Japanese. The boosting essence from Purito, that's Korean. All those products work much, much, much better, are more plumping, more hydrating, more glow giving, more effective than the I'm From Rice Toner. So I won't be repurchasing this. Do I regret buying this? Kind of. I wish I hadn't fallen for the hype. The next product is from Decleo. It is the Aroma Night Beauty Cream. Not at all enough for my skin right now. I felt that it didn't make my skin flaky, but it didn't do anything to prevent flaking. So I am going back to my CeraVe again. Next I have the Maison Skin Renewal Program HA and BHA Toner. That is this one. I did not use it on my face. I used it on my neck and hands. I think it was quite good. My neck feels better to the touch, certainly. I will continue to use actives on my neck. Bath and Body, 2 body care products. Bath and Body Works Violet Leaf and Blackberry Body Lotion. Wonderful smell. Oh my god, I want at least 50 more of these. But then, I've got to use up everything else first. The other product that I used up was the British Rose Body Yogurt from the Body Shop. All gone. This smelled nice. This was good. It's a backup. It's something that I will buy if everything else gets discontinued. Yeah, decent. I think of the body yogurts from Body Shop, the British Rose one is the best. Another product that I used up is the Misha Foot Mask. Yeah, that is because my feet felt a bit in need of TLC this month, and this softened them overnight. Very nice. 1 body soap bar, the Body Shop Fuji Green Tea Soap Bar. Decent, wasn't very groundbreaking. Alright, won't repurchase. 2 hair care products. The first is from Kerastase. It is the Light Crystal Conditioner. It is not a leave-in product, it is a rinse-off product. There was enough for 1 use. This was pre-cystine, early September, because post-cystine I'm using salon products. Yeah, alright, not groundbreaking. Won't repurchase. The second one was the Orbe Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo, which I finished up right before going in for my cystine treatment, you know, as a sort of clarifying stripping product. Apparently my hair was terribly tangly and in awful shape according to the person at the salon. Oh well. Won't be repurchasing this. I thought it was very drying for the hair. So I'm not going to be counting. I'll tell you what. It's a soap, right? I'll count this. I won't count this. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means I have 24 products to finish in October, November, and December, which means I need to use 8 products per month. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. Do tell me what you have used up this month, if you used any of these products. If you have a different opinion from mine, do tell me all of that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I will speak to you soon.